Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying in the home. Dear students, in the last class, we discussed about the laws of exponents and some of the examples also. Okay, so in this class, we should be discussing about it, the standard form and applications of the laws of exponents. Okay, yes. So what is my standard form? So why do you want to write the standard form? Okay, yes. So while measuring the any measurements in the fields, yes, we should be get their measurements will become say too much length is. Okay, so some of the thousands or the crores of kilometers we should be get. Yes, or to find is the any distance also we should be get that is more than that crores of the distance we should be get. Okay, so there we have to be apply this standard form. Okay, so almost is in the internationally there we use only standard form only. Okay, so as well as by taking the some of the distances between the Mars and Earth or Earth and Moon, as while taking their measurements also we should get as a some of the standard form only. Okay, so what is the use of this standard form is that we discussed that, and how we ought to be write that we should be learn that now. Okay, so for example, standard form. Okay, so while taking our example, okay, so 3 4 5 9 double 0 is what I am taking now. Okay, yes, so one place to is the distance will become is how many kilometers means is 34 lakhs 59,000 kilometers. Okay, so this is small is there written that is, yes, so if you are having the more than this numbers is there means is how we ought to represent means is by standard form. How we want to write the standard form means is, okay, so given number, okay, or given measurements, it can be lied between the 1 and 10 or we have to be observed. Means is it must be in that single digits only we want to be taking this. Okay, children, what do you want to take that is that standard form value is must be in single digits only we have to be considered. Okay, but is it in the single digit? No. Okay, so some lakhs is there, 34 lakhs 59,000 kilometers is there. Okay, so to take as a single digit, as to take as in single digit, what you want to do that means is, what is it at the left hand side is it first digit is a 3 is here. Yes or not student? First digit is 3 is here. Okay, so I will write it as a 3 now. Okay, so then after is you have to put the point. Yes, you have to put the point. Yes, so what is the remaining is? Remaining numbers is that is 4 5 9 0 0 4 5 9 0 0. Okay, 0 0. So after is a after point how many numbers we put that is? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 digits we written that is after the point. Yes or no children? So that into 6 zeros you have to be multiplied. Okay, so how many zeros is there children? 5 6. Okay, so if you multiply with this one, yes, if you multiply with this one to this one, you should get the same thing. Okay, so for example, I am taking as a 590. Okay, also why do you want to take the 590? I will take it as a 59. Okay, so 59, how will we write it? That means is 5.9. Okay, 5.9 into, for point is a 1, how many decimals is there? 1 decimal, so 1 0. Okay, means is 5.9 into 10 will become, so how much you should get the children? 59 only. Yes or no children? So same as is there, here is 59 already written as the 5.9 into 10. Okay, same as is there, here also I am applying that. Okay, as a product only. As a product only. Okay, they should understand now. Yes. So then afterwards is how we want to write that means is that is 3.459. Okay, so after point at the right hand side, after the number means is 459. It's a number is completed. After how many zeros is there? 1 2 3 means is that 3 zeros does not have the value. Okay, after the number only, not before number. Okay, children, not at all before number. After the number zeros is it cannot be having the value. Yes, that is in the decimals only. Okay, into yes. So this is at how many zeros is there, children? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 zeros is there. So then that is 10 power 6 I will write. Okay, children, understand now? So next afterwards is, see that is 3.459. 3.459 into 10 power 6. Okay, so it is the standard form of that. Okay, it is the standard form of the 34,59,000 kilometers. Okay, so now we have to be write it as a 3.459 into 10 power 6 kilometers. Means is same as that 3.45 into 10 power 6 is that kilometers is equals to 34,59,000 kilometers. Okay, they shall understand now. Okay. Yes, dear children, we are taking the one more example. Okay, so what does it mean is 0.2735. We are taking the one more example. Okay, so what does it mean is 0.2735. 0.2735. Okay, so this is a one example we have to write in the standard form. See that is here is 0 point is there, but the standard form must be can be lie in the between the 1 and 10 only. Means is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Between them only, that numbers only we want to be take that is. We should not take it as a 0 and we should not take it as a 10. Okay, so 1 to 9 only we want to be take that is. Okay, so then so it's equals to s. Now first here 0.2735 we are having now. Okay, so then complete number you have to be written without point. That is 2735. Okay, so divided by s divided by here is a point 1 and after point how many decimals is there? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. S. So then afterwards is equals to then here 2735 divided by here 10 power how many zeros is there, children? 1 2 3 4. S 4 we have to be written. Then after writing that, okay, so 2735 into s. So 10 power 4 I am taking in the numerator place. In the numerator place, that is 10 power minus 4. According to which formula, dear children? That is 1 by a power n is equals to a power minus n. Okay, so according to our seventh law. Okay, so then after is okay, so after is here this is the form of a first example. What is it is? So 34 lakhs is written no, same as is 2735 is there. Yes or no, children? So then 2.735 into so for point is 1, then after point is how many decimals are there, children? 1 2 3 means is 1 2 3 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so that is equals to 2.735 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so that is equals to equals to, yes, so then 2.735 into 10 power, okay, so that is a power m into a power n, yes, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n, no student, so that is 3 plus r minus 4. Okay, so according to which formula, dear children, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so based on this formula we are writing as a 3 plus of minus 4. Okay, so then a is equals to 2.735 into 10 power, so plus into minus is minus, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay, so 2.735 into 10 power minus 1 is a standard form of that 0.2735. Okay, dear children, understand now? I hope you are all understand about the concept of standard form. Regarding this class, if you are having any doubt, please contact me. And what we are sending the homework and classwork must have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.